Training and coaching is the quickest way to gain knowledge you didn't know before. And the way cybersecurity threats now affect our businesses and our daily lives, cybersecurity defense habits are skills that we all need to become more familiar with. My name is Craig Kluba, and I'm one of the partners here at Intelligent Technical Solutions, or ITS. Now, one of the best defense mechanisms against cybercrime is our people. Our people are often the targets of cyber criminals who trick us into divulging company details or passwords. They even trick us into taking action like purchasing gift cards or sending them funds or pretending to be our leaders. Usually there are telltale signs that tip you off that you're being tricked, but likely you won't spot them until you've been shown what they look like. Security awareness training is offered as a service to educate team members to become human firewalls, help defend our organizations against cyber threats. After all, our team members are our first line of defense. People who go through the training often report that the skills and habits they learned have also helped them combat scams in their personal lives. A good training platform provides regular short-form engaging video content and micro quizzes. 10 to 15 minutes twice a month can really help to inform everyone of the latest trends in attacks and scams, as well as provide up-to-date ways we can all keep an eye out for suspicious cyber activity. It's important to note that the training and knowledge is not just about how to spot phishing emails either. For example, what would you do with a USB thumb drive you found in the company parking lot? Or what if a contact at one of your largest accounts sent you a text message to update their accounting info due to an emergency? We can't assume that common sense will always protect us, because cyber criminals are in the business of catching us when we are at our busiest or most distracted or impersonating contacts that we already trust. We want to empower you with the benefits of security awareness training. We want you to adopt a proactive security culture, become a safer organization, and ensure all employees are receiving the training they need to succeed. Contact us today for a cyber risk assessment and help your company stay protected. Here at ITS, we help businesses thrive by managing their technology.